My name is Ayanfe, the brand manager of BaiWei Aquatic Service. So I'm one of the distributors of Lima company that will sell the floating feed machine and the pelleting machine. So the product is very good because a lot of people have been using it in Nigeria. We install several of it, and there's no problem with it. I have guarantee with them, and I have 100% assurance with their company that with this working together, we are going to achieve a great way to go. These are floating feed machine of 300 kg per hour. This is a very nice machine. We have it here in Nigeria already. For anyone that wants to come around, you can place the order anywhere. And can also check Lima online and check BaiWei Aquatic Service online. We are here in Nigeria, where we can give you the best machine. We give you best training on how you can make use of the machine, how you can operate it. Anything we sell for you, we always make a backup for you. We don't just sell machine for you, then we leave you alone. So we sell machine for you, and we still give you a backup, in which you can get the 100% of what you buy. Then you're going to save a lot of profit in your fish farming and your poultry feed machine. Thank you. God bless you. Be expecting your messages on our WhatsApp, Facebook, and TikTok. Thank you very much. I remain loyal to Lima Company as AOA Aquatic CEO Brand Manager. Thank you very much.